you definitely heard this one when you were a kid.
Oh God, this was my favorite one.
All who can't hear
will feel. You know how much time I get the feeling part? You know how much time the feeling reach for my back?
So baby, push back when I jump behind it. Baby, let me know you like it. Tonight, let's give them something to see. Everybody.
What's up, guys? I'm Chaddy.
And I'm Danny.
You don't know we're here for a good time.
And a long time.
We don't know we're here for a good time.
And a long time.
I want to say a big thank you, guys, for the subscribers.
Yes, thank you. We passed the
50K
mark.
You don't know, so we're here for a good time and a long time. When you subscribe, you know we're here for a good time and a long time.
We're actually at 54K in a week.
Yeah, well, yeah,
and we were at what, 49?
49. 49. We were at 49, bro. No, for real, big man level. Yo, I want to say a really big thank you, guys. If it wasn't for you guys, we wouldn't be here. Go ahead, share this to a family member, share it to somebody you know, share it, because this
anybody that you know would enjoy this video,
yeah,
share it.
Notification gang, notification squad, comment down below before we get into the video. You don't know, notification gang, notification squad, notification
that's the best one.
And smash the like button right now to start this video. We are going to talk about Jamaican sayings. I was about to say Jamaican mother sayings because Jamaican mothers, they are the most
or
say
grandmothers.
Oh yes, and grandmothers.
Grandfathers.
Oh
Some
God.
of them is fathers.
Old grandfathers, them love say them thing here. But old grandmothers too. Big up to all the old grandmas and grandfathers, you know, let's get right into the video.
Okay, first saying is Jackass said the world no level. I know this one.
I know that one too.
What's the meaning of this?
Say it again if you meant to know.
Jackass said the world no level.
Basically, the world can't level.
Oh God.
Alright, no, for real. It means life is unfair.
Not everyone.
Which is true, life is really unfair, but you just have to just go through and strive through that and hustle.
Alright, done. Okay, so the second saying is Chicken Mary, hot than air.
Okay.
I know this one too.
I probably hear this once in my life.
God.
This sounds like, say it again.
Chicken Mary, hot than air.
Sounds like danger is coming.
Yeah.
Yeah,
so it's
right?
like whenever there's too much excitement,
something bad will happen, yeah.
Okay, third saying, wanty can't get it, and get it don't want it. So the people that have it are ungrateful for the things that they have, and people that want it can't get it.
Yeah, there's a lot of people out there like that, you know.
Yep.
May I tell you,
people don't realize what they have.
You have some ungrateful people out there, you know. You have some ungrateful people out there, you know.
I think you could have been an old grandma in your past life. Cockroach, no business in a fall fight.
Basically, this is telling you that when it's not your business, you know, if you get involved, you must stay away from it. This is what your mother probably said to you 100 times.
Stay out of people's business.
Yeah. Basically, them break it down nowadays. Them stay out of the business. That's what them say. So, yeah, cockroach is in a foul fight.
Cockroach
is in a foul fight.
Nobody says cockroach.
Mr. Cockroach.
Next saying, what sweet nanny goat, I go run in belly.
Alright.
What's this one?
Something that appears too good to you can hurt you.
Did you rehearse that scene?
yes, I did actually. I come know, we write this down and I have a little, you know.
A list.
Yeah, and my brain have a little, you know, a little computer up there. Anyways, alright, let's go to the next one. But really and truly, this is a grandmother would have said that one here.
Yeah, anything that look too good may not be too good.
Yeah.
Guys, so this is a popular one. 1 cocoa, full basket.
Alright.
Chad, break it down.
I felt like my mother used to say, can't full basket, but.
No.
I joke. Shout out to my mother right now, because she see this right now, she's gonna beat me.
That's too old to get beaten.
For real. Comment down there below if you think your mother would have beat the same way. Comment down below right now.
She just give you the look.
Yeah, for real. Say it again.
1 cocoa, full basket.
That means don't expect to achieve success overnight. So basically, things don't come to you just like that. You have to work hard. That's why I love Jamaica, you know? No, God, no, I love Jamaica, I love Jamaica. Alright.
Okay, guys, I know you're definitely gonna know this one. Blood thicker than water. You know this one, you know this one.
You see a blood, man, you just go. Yeah, man. What DNA is your DNA?
That makes no sense. Oh my God.
I joke.
That one means put your family
yeah,
first.
basically, I was gonna get to the point, but
no, you are taking too long.
Let me say, people, is basically if your mother wrong, you must defend her.
Defend her if she wrong?
Yeah, no matter, because at the end of the day,
defend her in public, but in the back, just
you go back.
You could have said.
You might get to shot box, but I say, yo, no matter if your mother wrong, you almost always defend her. Don't ever pick up for nobody else, but pick your mother first. You hear me I say?
It depends.
No. Only if she beat you.
What?
You know, pick her side. Cause I wonder why I get beat.
That makes no sense. So this one is, every time I hear this one, it make me laugh. I'm old, but me not cool.
This is probably like your great
You definitely
grandmother.
hear a couple old people saying that.
Yeah. So basically, it's saying don't underestimate an old person. You see me?
It's true.
You see a grandmother, she will thump you down, you know.
No, I don't think it means that.
I know I don't mean that, but I'm just saying it sounds like that.
So you definitely heard this one when you were a kid.
Oh God, this was my favorite one.
All who can't hear
Will feel. You know how much time I get the feeling part? You know how much time the feeling reach for my back? You know how much time I climb up? Yo, I remember one time, you know, we have a veranda, you know, guys. I'm gonna climb up on the veranda, you know, and she say it, you know. To who's you check out, you know.
You drop.
Boom! Drop! And you know, you expect your mother to come help you?
Nope.
No, man, she grab for the bed. And she
it.
goes and she say it again.
Because she tell you you're gonna bust your ass, and what happened? You bust your ass.
Yeah, that's one thing. One thing I know, mother is like, mothers, them predict things. They know the future. They know what gonna happen. They know.
So the next saying is, you're sorry for Maga dog, and the Maga dog turn around, come bite you.
Basically, you help somebody.
And them angry.
They're ungrateful about it. And enough people out there are ungrateful, guys. Not for real.
It's true. Sometimes the people you help the most are the ones that always turn against you.
Yeah, them turn against you. So you know what you do? I'm gonna tell you to buy back nobody, but just you just do so.
What does that mean?
You just do that, man.
And this one, dog nyami supper.
Oh my God, dog nyami supper, you know. Dog.
Once you hear that, it's over. It's over.
Yeah. You broke your. Yo, I broke my mother vase, you know.
Dog nyami supper.
Yo, me forget my homework.
Dog nyami supper.
Me just broke my father rocking chair.
What? Dog nyami supper.
I love my father.
I love rocking chairs, by the way. Just a disclaimer. When I get old, I want a rocking chair.
First of all,
actually, if I would take a rocking chair now.
I only see rocking chairs in the movies, guys. That's all I see.
What? My grandma used to have a rocking chair, and that's why she used to put me to bed.
No, I only see that thing there in the movies.
What?
Yeah, rocking chair is only in the movies.
You never got rocked to sleep?
Oh, you're rich.
What? A rocking chair?
You're rich. We never get that back in Spanish Town.
Whatever. Alright guys, comment below. your sayings, your favorite Jamaican sayings.
Comment down below. Don't forget to comment down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash the like button. Share this video with everybody.
Notification.
Notification gang. Notification squad. Big up on the damn self.
Get yourself together.
I'm kind of hyper right now. So yo, notification squad. First notification squad goes to
Kristen Tomlinson.
Kristen Tomlinson, big up your damn self. You're going right over here.
Second notification squad goes to Travis Williams.
Travis Williams, big up your damn self. You're going right over here. Yo, the third notification shout out goes to
Faniza Peru. I hope I never butchered the name.
Yeah. Faniza Peru, big up your damn self. You go right over here. Guys, I want to say thank you again. Thank you. We love you guys. You don't know how much it means to us, you know. It means a lot. It means a lot. And I want to say, I want to cry. I want to cry. Big up. Thank you guys. Share this video with everybody. Comment down below your favorite part. Comment whatever you want to see.
If you heard us say something stupid, comment below.
Comment down below with no business. We love you guys. I always say, big up to all the Caribbean people too. Jamaica to the world. We are out.
On me. So baby, push back when I jump behind it. Baby, let me know you like it. Tonight, let's give them some.